Welcome back to United Tradesman Academy. Hey guys, look, I got a job to do next week where we got to do some trenching in the ground, and it's along a sidewalk in a residential area. But before we trench, I'm going to call 811, or I've already called 811, and I got to do a locate. So I'm gonna go get some spray paint, and we're gonna mark this, mark the ground where we got to dig. Oh, I gotta enter in some more money here. Okay. So we got the marking paint. So guys, look, I wanted to film in the store, but of course they got music playing, so I didn't want to get copyrighted. So guys, look, before you dig anything, especially in the residential neighborhood around power lines and stuff, you know, they may have gas lines, fiber optic lines, electrical lines. You definitely want to get it located. It's free, you know. So basically, they come out and scan the ground to make sure there is nothing in the ground that's like 2 feet, 3 feet, you know, deep. Then also too, what's good about it is that they can scan it by the depth that you're going. You're going to tell them, hey, I'm going to be going like 2 feet deep or 3 feet deep. So if you tell them the correct information and you mark it correctly, then you have a high success rate that you won't hit nothing. So guys, look, we at the job site here, but it's kind of windy, so I'm probably gonna have to spray this very close to the ground. So I'm gonna be trenching from here all the way down to right there. So guys, look, we're gonna take a walk down there, and what you'll see, we got some irrigation lines that are down there, and we got an electrical line that's down there too, but I don't know where it crosses. So as you can see, as we start, so we got a sprinkler head right there, so that pipe could be running this way, or it could be running along this way, down to this next sprinkler head. So that's one of the reasons why we're getting this location marked, so we can see exactly where and what we have along this sidewalk right here. One other thing we got to be mindful of, these irrigation control boxes. These valves are inside of here, so we got pipes that's coming out of here going every which way. Sorry, we got pipes that are coming out of the boxes here that are going, some are going this way, some are going this way, some are going out this way, could be going out that way. That's why we're getting the location marked and located. See, it's another sprinkler head right here. So as we keep going down, another sprinkler head right there. So all this is potential to be torn up, because we got to go like almost 3 feet down. So we got to run 2 4-inch conduits to right here, up this pole. But actually, we're not going up the pole. We're just going to stop it like a foot above that pole. And the power company is going to take the rest of it up. All the way up to the transformer. So, also too, see now look. Someone has already dug right here. So there's no telling what could be, you know, put in the ground. That's right here. That's dangerous or hazardous, you know. Also too, if you look right here, we got to come across the sidewalk. Guys, if you know how big 4-inch conduit is, it's pretty big. So we got to bring 2 4-inch conduits across here, and it has to go right up the pole right here. So that's going to be very tight, bringing 2 4-inch conduits up. You know, it's going to be very. All right, guys, so what I did is I marked another location we may have to possibly trench, because I want to minimize the damage of the pipes, you know. So this trench path probably would have been a better option, but now I'm seeing those irrigation boxes right over there may pose a problem, especially how deep we got to go down and how wide the trench got to be for 2 4-inch conduits. So it may just be easier to come like this, to come at an angle right through here and come down here along this outer edge, because we may have a lot more room to dig with. Because it looks like on this outside perimeter right here, we don't have a lot of sprinkler lines, and you know, from what I can see right now, they're mostly along the gate, all the way back down. So the only problem I see is that when we turn our 90 right here, we're not gonna have a lot of room, you know, because we're probably gonna end up using long radius 90s. And if you ever work with the long radius 90, it's a real big long bend, especially on a 4-inch pipe, you know. So I'm gonna have to take in consideration that I gotta bend that pipe starting back here and turn it in like that. So actually that trench needs to be kind of wide, because like I said, it's gonna be two 4 inches that has to go through here. It's gonna have to come under the sidewalk. Hey guys, look, that's why it's good to plan your jobs out, because you never know what obstacles you're gonna come up with. You never know what you're gonna have to do in addition to your original plan. You may have to change your plan up middle ways into the project. You never know. So guys, that's why I'm out here. It is Saturday morning, so I said let me come out here, because my next week is gonna be real crowded. So I wanted to come out here today just to kind of plan for next week. So guys, look, I'm gonna wrap this video right here. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all the support. Thank y'all for sticking in there with me since I had my little going away you know, for about 6 months or so. Guys, look, we'll see y'all next time back at you. Hey guys, last part of the video, I was driving down the street and I like these new Supras, so I said let me stop by and see how much it costs. I would like red, either red or white. So put that work in, you can have it. It's a 2.0, little 4-cylinder. I want that 3.0. It's a 6-cylinder. It's a twin turbo right here, which I would not want a turbo engine. I like it naturally aspirated. But guys, man, I saw this and I said, man, let me stop by, because I'm always inspired by things I like looking at and seeing, you know. Hey guys, look, so I'm gonna end this video again right here. We'll see y'all next time back at United Chase.